My name is Karen. I'm from Colombia, and now I want to show everybody how to make empanadas. This is the street food from Colombia. So the first thing you have to make is the dough. So back home, we had to boil in the real corn and had to mix it. This I had along the process. We had the ocean, the buy in the Latin store or some store example like food basic. You can find that corn flour. The first step is made the beef. So I had to that beef have potatoes, onion, tomato, garlic, um, salt, and pepper. So first thing you have to cut all the vegetables, like all the thing I mentioned to you guys, and had to fry. The first thing you have to fry, and after that, so when the meat is cooked, you have to shred the meat and put it together. When you put it together, it looks like that. So now I want to show you guys how to make that empanada from Colombia. The first thing I use this aceto bar because it's very easy, and you have to mash with your hands a little bit, and you can use I use this one, but sometimes I use a bottle of water, and because this one is sometimes difficult, but some people use this, some people use it, but you can use whatever is easy for you. So now you want to put the meat down. Some people make from the cheese, pork, uh, uh, shrimp, but my favorite is the beef. So now this is how is the empanada, and you have to put it together. So, and I use this one, I use this one, and you can use any kind of formada. And this is how those like empanadas. After that, you can fry it, and I want to show you guys how to cook it. The transition to to come to Canada at the time was super difficult because I don't speak English, and it's different culture. It's like a culture shock. I didn't like um, when I arrived. So I arrived in December, and it's so cold, so dark. I never see a 5 o'clock. It's super dark, and it's like we're sleeping at 7 or 6, 5 2. The sun is dark, so I make sure this we like come in the bed. So and it's like super super difficult, difficult. Not only for me, but for my kids because they don't understand. Especially when I had an appointment, had to go into the bank, open accounts. So for me, it was difficult, but I always had support. People helping me doing that, and I had lucky that time. But I say, we're here, so we can continue. The biggest challenge was come to here and then all my family back home. Um, the more I miss in my country culture is the warm and the hospital and the culture. And I miss doing parties with the friends and family. We celebrated everything. If somebody uh, get a job, we celebrate it. If it's somebody, the baby's born, we celebrate it. So we celebrate it for everything. And also I miss the neighbors. Every morning it's like door is open. Good morning. And we had a little chatty and continue. And this I miss for back home. And also I miss the food, any kind of food. And I really miss it. So I learned my English a word, but still listen. I not talk, but I listen. And I'm very active person, so I know where is example. I know where's the paths going, so I know exactly where they go. I asking question. I always when I know something, I ask him. So where it is, or I use my hands. Sometimes I don't talk, but I use my hands. So this, and the people very helpful at the time. Super helpful. They know life, because they don't know. They know I don't speak English, and they try to help. And also they learn my Spanish a little bit. So I say, they want to go to the bathroom. They know, oh, you go bathroom? Yes, I go to the bathroom. And also I have put my abilities, like say, like I not speak, but I do everything. The more I enjoyed at work at Miramichi was the help to the community, help to the resident. Um, I feel like so proud to work in other place because this is what identify. I like help, and this is what I identify myself like helping people, especially the resident, some resident they very old, they need like support. So I may organize snack, bring to them, and also I thought every day one resident always asking me for a cup of tea. And always say, okay, she said, do you want a coffee? I said, yes, I have a coffee. So I feel so, and also when I saw her, I remember, I remember my grandma. So it's always, I enjoy, always I enjoy the working with the resident and the community. That was a very, very big challenge. Like, um, I try to work with my cousin. Like, when I have day off, when I work in the afternoon, example, I do it in the morning or weekends, or I working with somebody else and I leave the person there to finish the job. I have to go work. And the schedule where I have right now is matched with my job. So it's why it was perfect to working on both, like my business as my regular job. Doing my business was um, always working for people, right? Always cleaning for somebody. I said one day, like one person, he said, "Oh, you do an amazing job. Oh, I sold my house after you clean the house." And this like put me like power. I said, "No, this is the time." I called my friend, can you help me to open the business? So she's okay. Congratulations if you do it. So that's why I start. I said, why not now? And the owners are very fresh cleaning and cleaning, not cleaning for someone else. So I'm doing the job for myself. Have my own costume, especially when I go into meet the house and I say I feel so proud myself, doing this job. I'm not doing for somebody else. This is my job. So I feel like so excited. I feel happy. And I say I can prove myself because I come in with nothing, no zero English. Happy because when they say, "Child," that after doing the clean, they testing me. Oh wow, the house is amazing. You do an amazing job. They me feel so proud myself, and I always try my best so that customer feel satisfied with my job. Yes, so I was the to buy a house in 2019 was the bigger challenge, bigger expectative because when but home we saw noisy kids running everywhere. Here is so difficult because always living in the apartment building, so my kids always running and children's running, but and I always have complaining with the neighbors and one time I said no, I had to I had to buy my own house. I want to feel safe and security to my kids either like and always I never have house, never in Colombia, but it's like it's a big so big for me like have my own house to put music all the time. Like my volume is so loud, nobody, not the neighbors or told the door like doing the put the music down. So my kids doing whatever they want, and so this is why the most part I focus is by my house, and I feel my family safe and confident. My professional goal was I have a restaurant, Colombian restaurant. Everybody like full like 100 people in the restaurant, have a couple employees. And also I want to have my continue to my body fresh cleaning with my company, cleaning company and give job for the people, the newcomers. It's like get opportunity they want somebody doing to me when I come to Canada with no English. So no difficult like helping them. Give a favor to the one that receive one day. My family is support my family. One time, one day can bring my family. Each everybody support each other in the restaurant.